Hey y'all, Bear here, Camp Cooking Tuesday time. Look here, many of y'all saw my last review for the Peak Refuel. We got another one this morning. I'm at camp live and I brought along some granola with strawberry to try. So let's give it a test. She's a simple one. Looks like 1 cup of cold water, stir and wait for 5 minutes till the berries rehydrate. Here's a look at the nutritionals. So let's get some water in there, get it hydrating. I need some coffee. Now, the only thing I'll say that I've noticed so far that don't like about these Peak Refuels is you see how big the tearaway is? That's a lot of extra packaging in my backpack to tote around versus that. Smells like strawberry. Get rid of the desiccant. Y'all want a peek? I see milk powder, granola, and strawberries. Now, with this, I don't know if I should do my traditional, let it rehydrate, Now this, I don't know if I should do my traditional, let it rehydrate twice as long as it says or not. My granola might get soggy. Coffee water's on the boil. You know what? I did let it go twice as long. I let this guy go about 11 minutes instead of the 5. Let's see what we got going on here. I don't know if you can... Let me bring you down here. See what's in the bag there? We got cereal. Cereal for breakfast. It's easy. Let's see here. Well, sitting 10 minutes, the strawberries are definitely hydrated up. Almost a little bit too long for the granola there. Man, it's got a good flavor and it's super easy. Just like the other Peak, I'm gonna give this guy 4 bear paws. Peak's got a really nice product here. I'm gonna order more of their stuff. Well, anyway, I'm gonna finish eating breakfast. I'm gonna clean up and get on the trail. And I guess we'll see you on the trail.